Capillaries are the smallest blood vessels. They form connection between the smallest arterioles and the smallest venules. They are extension of the inner lining of larger vessels, that is endothelial cells. They are surrounded by a protein known as basement membrane. These thin endothelial cells form the semi-permeable membrane through which materials are exchanged between blood cells and tissue fluid. There are pores in the capillary walls. These are thin slits that occur where two adjacent endothelial cells overlap. There are three types of capillaries: continuous capillaries, fenestrated capillary, and sinusoidal or discontinuous capillary. Continuous capillary, as the name indicates, they have no perforations. They are present in muscles, fat, skin, nerve, and nerve tissues. Fenestrated capillaries, they have small pores. You can see in the picture as well. They are located in kidneys, intestine, and endocrine glands. Whereas sinusoidal or discontinuous, as you can see in the pictures, they have large open pores. And these capillaries are found in bone marrow, lymph nodes, and spleen. Capillaries are involved in the exchange of material. Blood flowing in the arteries, they are rich in oxygen and nutrients. So when they reaches to capillaries, diffusion occurs. Oxygen and nutrients from the blood goes into the tissue, and carbon dioxide and waste from the tissues goes back into the capillaries. When blood flows in the capillaries, so water, white blood cells, dissolved materials like salt, glucose leak out of capillary walls and goes into the spaces around tissue cells. These become tissue fluid. Cells absorbs the material they need from tissue fluid and releases waste into it. About 90% of this fluid is reabsorbed by the capillaries, whereas 10% of this tissue fluid is absorbed by the lymph vessels and they become part of the lymph.